If you're looking to sync webinar times between ClickFunnels and EverWebinar, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that and explain EverWebinar in a quick, straightforward way. First, let's dive right into the process of syncing your webinar time. It's essential to make sure that when you're scheduling your webinars, the times on ClickFunnels match those in EverWebinar to ensure a smooth experience for your audience. Next thing you need to know is that this process starts with setting up your webinar in EverWebinar. Once you've done that, head over to your ClickFunnels account and find the funnel where you're integrating the webinar. You'll need to ensure that your ClickFunnels funnel is connected to EverWebinar. You can do this by selecting the webinar integration option in the funnel settings. Now, once you're connected, it's time to set the right timing. In EverWebinar, go to the webinar settings and select the date and time for your event. After that, you'll need to copy the exact time zone settings. This is crucial because the time zones in both platforms need to match up perfectly. Then, head back to ClickFunnels and paste the same time zone information into the appropriate fields. This step ensures that the timing between ClickFunnels and EverWebinar syncs up perfectly for your attendees. The fourth thing you need to do is make sure your automation is set up correctly. ClickFunnels has an automation feature that allows you to send emails or trigger certain actions when a visitor registers for your webinar. You want to confirm that these automations are working well, including sending them the right reminder emails about the webinar start time. Next, let's talk about testing. After everything is synced, don't forget to test your setup. Register as an attendee to see if you receive the email reminders and if the webinar time is displaying correctly on both platforms. This step ensures that the webinar will run smoothly when the real event starts. Lastly, I want to mention how you can get started with EverWebinar for completely free. We've got an exclusive offer for you. If you check out the first link in the description below, you'll get a free trial of EverWebinar with some added bonuses to make your experience even better. Make sure you follow these steps to sync webinar time between ClickFunnels and EverWebinar, and remember to test everything out before your big event. As a quick reminder, don't forget to click that link below for your extended free trial and bonuses. That's all for today.